Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ngibone le article le ebhalwe ukuthi Motau wants out of Madlanga Commission. And into efike yaba interesting kimi ukuthi who's the author? Umuntu obhale le article u-Abraham Mashego. Uyakhumbula ukuthi u-Abraham Mashego sikhulumile ngaye ngeviki eliphelile ukuthi yilo okwathi uGeneral Sibiya efaka amaphepha enkantolo wafonela uGeneral Mkhwanazi wambuza imibuzo ukuthi ubona kanjani ngalokho. uGeneral Mkhwanazi wambuza ukuthi akayona ingxenye yalama journalist abhadalwa i-drug cartel na. Ngesikhathi ethula ubufakazi bakhe kwiMadlanga Commission, uGeneral Mkhwanazi ushilo ukuthi kune-colleague kaMntungwa eyafika yathi kuMntungwa wayangasikhiphanga istory lesi sendaba kaMkhwanazi of defeating the end of justice. Then wathi le journalist ithi kunabantu abayifaka under pressure, and umuntu owabhala lo article, le article akade ekhala ngayo uMkhwanazi ethi the way ayibhale ngakhona wabeka isithombe sakhe kuyayidamage i-reputation yakhe ebantwini. Same journalist u-Abraham. Ngicingile lolu daba futhi bengazimiselanga ukwenza ivideo ngalolu daba, kodwa ngithe angizikhave nje le story bese ngithinta kancane kokushiwo uKhumalo siyeke, ngoba into eshiwo uGayton McKenzie ukuthi ifactory yama-popcorn ifuneka ilunge ayiwayiqinisile. Uyabona ke manje iMadlanga Commission isithathe elinye ijika manje sekuthanda ukuba nzima ke. Uyabona mangabe kukhona okwaziyo sekufuneka uqala ukhathazeke ngendlela ahlanganisa ngayo izinto. Manje uKhumalo usuyayibona ke inkulumo kaMasemula nenkulumo kaGeneral Mkhwanazi, ngoba bonke bathe umuntu oza nobufakazi uKhumalo. Article engiyibonile beyibhalwe kanje: Chief Evidence Leader Advocate Terry Motau has formally requested to step down from the Madlanga Commissions of Inquiry, which is investigating allegations of criminality, political interference and corruption within South African criminal justice system. Ku-reporter iNews24 iliya article le ebesikhuluma ngayo. Motau's decision has prompted urgent discussions amongst commission's officials to address the situation. Ngithe uma ngidibana nalolu daba nale article ngase ngiyayicinga ukuthi mhlambe ngizosithola istatement esivela noma kwiMadlanga noma esovela kuyo Advocate Terry Motau. Siyakhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi lo beka uMinister we-Higher Education and Training uDr Nobuhle Nkabane wayithe wayo-chairperson we-panel wabhala istatement ephikisana nalokho. Bengitshela ukuthi ke kuzoba khona istatement esovela kuyo Advocate Motau ezochaza ukuthi kwenzakalani, kodwa ngadibana nalo mbhalo lo uthi Madlanga Commissions of Inquiry. The commission will not publicly discuss internal staffing or security matters. The commission is squarely focused on its job to conduct an inquiry into the gravely serious allegations that South Africa's law enforcement agencies have been infiltrated and unduly influenced by criminal syndicate and drug cartels. The work of the commission is critically important for the rule of law in our country and should not be distracted. iMadlanga ke yona ithatha igxathu lokuthi ayizukukhuluma nanoma ubani nanoma nomphakathi, ngeke futhi badiscuss into zangaphakathi. Noma yini efuneka abayidiscuss bazoyidiscussa bona baphume nesisombululo mangabe sikhona. So okusho ukuthi ke angeke iziphawule ngoba ithi ayifuni ukuphazamiseka ngoba umsebenzi abanawo ubaluleke kakhulu, abayifuni into ezobaphazamisa. Ngakho ke yingakho ubone ngathi akukhona na letter esithola evela ku-Advocate Terry Motau ngoba sifuna sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mhlawumbe sebemsabisile asazi. Uma sidlulela phambili ethula ubufakazi bakhe uGeneral Khumalo, kuningi akubekile kodwa ngizocaphuna nje okumbalwa ngoba usuku oluza nento eningi usuku lwangoLwesibili lapho ezokwenaba khona esengena kuma-messages esethula lobufakazi ama-journalist ngokwehlukahlukana kwabade lokho ebhala ethi uMkhwanazi ufike wabeka ezinye iy'nsolo kodwa kalethanga ubufakazi kodwa uMkhwanazi ubulethile ubufakazi obebulingane nawo washo ukuthi ubufakazi obuningi buzoza noGeneral Khumalo kanye nabo nale team le eyayideployiwe okunjengoba okunye kwakho ngeke kukhulunywe in public funa bakukhulume phambi kwekhamera of which kuyinto enhle ngoba kuvikela izwe kunezinto ekungafanelanga yinekele izwe kunezinto noma zenzeka okungafanelanga sizazi ngiyavumelana nabo kakhulu lapho asicaphune-ke ey'ntweni ezimbalwa ey'shiwo uKhumalo emveni kwalapho bese siyayivala le video ngoba inhloso yami akusikuthi le video ibe yinde kodwa ukukupha nje update ngoba ekukhulunywa namhlanje laphaya kwi-commission uyazi-ke nawo umuntu uma eqala commission uqala landa i-background yakhe usukaphi usebenze kanjani uKhumalo-ke into ayenzile yileyo nanokuthi ihluke ngani i-political killing task team kunawo wonke lama task team akaba khona so izinto lezi eziningi ebekazichaza namuhla lapha njengoba bekhuluma so inhloso yami nje ukuthi siye kule phathi le engifisa ukuyicaphuna ebese sidlulela phambili kodwa usuku oluyoba lukhulu zivela lezi zinto ey'vela usuku oluyoba lukhulu zimbili iy'nsuku eziyoba nkulu zimbili ngempela angisazi kahle kodwa usuku kuyofakaza ngalo uGeneral Sibiya usuku kuyofakaza ngalo uMinister nangosuku kuyofika ngalo uBrown Mokgotsi kwi-commission lezo nsuku lezo zobe zisiphathele likhulu ngiyacela-ke ukungakubambeleli kodwa uzwe la.
General Khumalo, you wished to first give the Commission a sense and an overview of the kind of picture that emerges from the chats before we dive into the chats. So can you start at paragraph 86, please?
Thank you, Commissioners. A preview of the picture that will be confirmed by the WhatsApp chats, starting with 8.6.1. Mr. Matlala or one of his employees makes payments to Mr. Mokgotsi directly, sometimes for expenses related to the African National Congress events, and in particular for the benefit of delegates of such event who are apparently linked to the Minister Mkhunu through the Chief of Staff, Mr. Nkabinde, in the office of the Minister.
Abantu abawumndeni wale channel ayikho yintsha lenkulumo kubo ekhulunywa etholakala kuma messages kaBrown Mokgotsi noKurt Matlala ukuthi uKurt Matlala bekafanda uMinister. Uyakhumbula ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi wakhipha ngisho i-proof of payment kodwa saqhubeka thina sakuvezela yena uBrown Mokgotsi ezikhulumela after i-exclusive interview aba nayo ne-ENCA ukufakazisa nje lento esho uKhumalo ukuthi ngempela uKurt Matlala bekabafanda uma beya kuma-functions athize. Ngifisa ukuyicaphuna leyo video leyo bese siqhubeka nenkulumo kaKhumalo ukuthi lento lezi esazizwa ngaphambilini seziyaqala manje ukuhlangana.
Further analysis of the chats indicates that Vusimuzi Kurt Matlala is financially supporting the Minister of Police and Mr. Brown Mokgotsi's political endeavors. This is supported by the evidence of conversation and the proof of payments of guests for January 8 traveling cost and the Ghana dinner in Cape Town, which was done in 2025.
Vusi Matlala's funding was a usual thing that will happen, that usually happens during your January 8. Business people will fund tables, transportations. How could the investigation team, why did the investigation team in Gauteng end up giving him those communications, which I'm not denying? There are...
You're not denying the communications between you and Vusi?
No, I'm not denying. And For what Vusi Matlala is arrested for is none of my business. If he's my friend or someone I know, has nothing to do with his arrest. He'll go to court and answer for that. Even when someone meets with the president or myself meeting with Matlala, he never told me in advance, well, Baba, be careful. I'm a kingpin, I'm this, I'm that. We are meeting him as a business person. It doesn't necessarily say you are endorsing the person. And I believe the reason he kept the messages is because there was nothing wrong that you were doing. He could have deleted them. And General Mkhwanazi was going to stand there saying nothing about me and Vusi Matlala. I know Vusi Matlala.
On the second
Njengoba uzizwela-ke ukuthi ngempela uKurt Matlala bekamfanda uminister. This is interesting. This is very, very interesting. Angikucaphunela inkulumo kaKhumalo, amazwibela nje le nkulumo kaKhumalo bese siyayivala le video, kodwa nje ukuthi ngikuphi i-update ukuthi bekwenzakalani kwiMadlanga Commission ngosuku lokuqala kulokutestifya kukaKhumalo. Ya, kodwa nje ngolesibili hayi lukhulu liyeza.
Then number two, in return, Mr. Mokgotsi uses his influence within the SAPS and the ministry to manipulate SAPS processes so as to frustrate criminal investigations into Mr. Vusimuzi Matlala. Also leaks highly confidential or classified information of the SAPS to Mr. Matlala. Also coordinates the payments from the SAPS to the Medicare 24 Tshwane District, a company owned by Mr. Matlala, which unlawfully procured a contract from SAPS worth 360 million. And number four,
Rand. You left out Rand.
360 million rands. Apologies,
Thank you.
Commissioner. And the fourth one, the fourth picture, is an unsuccessful attempt to prevent the SAPS from cancelling its contract with Medicare 24 Tshwane District. In pursuit of these goals, Mr. Mokgotsi, in a mistaken belief that an investigation into Mr. Matlala was being conducted by the Political Killings Task Team, as pointed out above. It was actually that investigation conducted by the Gauteng counterintelligence operations. Mr. Mokgotsi has pursued the disestablishment of the Political Killings Task Team, a mistaken identity. And then, secondly, he has specifically sought to find a means of having me subjected to a criminal and or disciplinary proceedings, including a somewhat comical attempt to rely on a December 2024 Constitutional Court judgment in State versus Makala, CCT number 237/2002, to have me disciplined for the conduct of a different Brigadier Khumalo, who was involved in that case, a Brigadier Mbuso Khumalo, who was then referred to on the record of proceedings on this case, and who Mr. Mokgotsi apparently thought it was me or myself, the second mistaken identity. 8.6.4, Mr. Mokhosi purports to have been operating in this regard with the support of the Minister of Police, as well as the Chief of Staff in the Minister of Police, Mr. Nkabinde, and Lieutenant General Sbiya, the Deputy National Commissioner in the SAPS. Apparently, in parallel, Major General Sinona pursues similar objectives with Mr. Mokhosi and leaks confidential SAPS documents to Mr. Matlala. Major General Sinona's association with Mr. Matlala appears to be linked to a commercial venture between Mr. Matlala and Mr. Tato Sinona, his son.
General.
You've referred.
Yabona into enkulu efike yavezwa uKhumalo ukuthi le drug syndicate ekhona isebenza kanjani. Okokuqala ufuna babe namabhizinisi alegitimate. Amabhizinisi abazokwazi ukuthi noma benza noma yini kodwa abafrante ngawo. Okwesibili ifuneka bakwazi ukuthola amathenda ku-government. Of which into enkulu leyo. Ngithema ngenza ivideo eyandulela la besikhuluma khona ngereport ye-SIU ngathi kubalulekile ukuthi labantu babambe amakhanda kumaphoyisa. Ngoba uyazi nawe mawugawula umuntu omkhulu omncane ovela uzwele. Awucabange nje le scenario ukuthi uma kufika amaphoyisa ezosesha emzini kaTiso KT Mulife bese kufika ama-Hawks. Ukube i-team lase KZN ibingekho, le team liyala eGauteng bengena choice. Bekufuneke idedele manje noma yini eyenzayo. Khona lo baba bathi uCalvin Rafadi, uGeneral Mkhwanazi ukhulumile ngayo. Uke wakhuluma before wathi kuyenzeka ifuni information atholakala umuntu ofuneka aboshwe. Kuvele i-call kubantu abaphethe. Kuthiwa drobani phansi yonke lento eniyenzayo, iyekeleni lento eniyenzayo. Ngoba phela iyashiyana ngamarenke. Manje uyabona ukuthi labantu abo ukuze bezokwenza kahle yonke lento le kufuneka babamba amakhanda. Buka nje ukuthi mabekwazi ukufunda uminister ingoba befuna ama-favor. Uyabona nje i-political killing task team ngoba sizwisezwa ukuthi yamharasa uKurt Matlala ngokusho kaBrown Mokgotsi mayibhala kwi-message ethi i-task team liyakuharasa seyidisbandiwe. So ngoba yamharasa wakwazi ukukhala uthi endoda awenza iplan man. Uminister akazange apholise Maseko wabona na ukuthi kufanele ayihlakaze le political killing task team ngoba ibisiphazamisa labantu laba kuyibona abaphethe. Ngoba uma engakwenzi lokho akeze ukuyithola ifunding. Ya sithi sizule imali ayilithezi limanzi. Kusika nehlobo. Mawungenamali ufuna uthenga izinkuni uzomisa. Kodwa imali ithenga ukhono lomile ayilithezi limanzi. Sisho njalo isiZulu. Ya bathi abadala ikhonkothi nethambo. Basho zona into ezinje. So labantu abo uyabona udila nabantu abanemali. Hayi madlana. Uma ngathi udila nalabantu kufanele kube principled. Ukuze uthi nje mina ibribe angiyithathi ifanele ube principled. Ngale kwalokho uzongena uthanda ungathandi. And benza lo msebenzi wabo banendlela futhi ukuthi bethi uma ungahambelani nalendlela yabo yokuthi uthathe ibribe noma kwenziwe into ethize bakudubula uyafa. Izona inkinga ezikhona lezi. Asiyibambe le video ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho. Kuningi kakhulu okukhulunyiwe kwi-commission. Kodwa okuningi nesikulindelele kuzoqala kusasa. Ngoba kuqala la ama-message aqala khona. Izohamba ke yonke le nkulumo ukuze le yankulumo kaGeneral Mkhwanazi nale fakazi bakhe abuthulile mayiqala iCommission ngomhla ka-17 buzokwazi ukuhambelana kahle nalabantu ebebefuna ubufakazi bezokwazi ukubuzwa kahle ubufakazi ngoba ushilo wathi ubufakazi obuningi buza noGeneral Khumalo. Yikho nje ukuthi phela obunye ubufakazi ngeke bakwazi ukuthi basitshele khona ukuze sikwazi. Khulumile nange Big 5 le ayimentionile uGeneral Mfane Masemola. Kodwa ngenxa yesikhathi angeke ngisakwazi ukuyi-attach la. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.